Hello everyone! Tayo ay feeling fresh na today guys. Of course naman, start our day always guys. Feeling good, feeling fresh. Thank you Lord. Ang panahon natin guys is umuulan. So it's here me again, your Kalabs Joanne. Ang update natin today guys, the raining is coming na guys. It's raining na talaga, starting na guys. So yun, tayo ay mag-coffee pa guys. Sana hindi na maglakas naman ang ulan guys. Kasi I will, guys, go out later guys. After dito. You're back. Crying again? Oh, you're gutom? Hungry, Ming? Okay. Miming talaga. Ay, very, talaga. Papansin din si Miming ba guys? Gusto din talaga makisali ba? So far, wala tayong ibang partner guys. Kasi hindi man ako nakapunta dun sa taas pa. Para magbili ng tinapay. So, sa iba dyan na hindi pa nakapag-coffee or anything. So, let's have, coffee together, guys. Feeling hungry na din, guys. Magkain na din ako dito guys after dito. I will eat na din guys. So kayo dyan, so I hope you have a nice morning and a great day morning guys. And taking your coffee guys. Enjoy drinking. Sarap kaya magkape guys, no? So shout out dyan sa mga coffee lovers dyan. How are you today everyone? So I hope everything is good. I think yun lang ang update natin guys. Medyo mahaba na naman ang usapan ko guys. Ang daming pinagsasabi always guys no ang hair natin, so don't mind it. So yun lang, maraming salamat. I hope you have a nice day and a great day guys ahead. See you next again. Keep safe kasi maulan-ulan na naman ang panahon natin guys. Always bring your umbrella. Don't forget it wherever you go. So see you next. God bless. Bye. Magkape pa ako, guys.